Joe Beermaster here. I have a '06 Toyota Camry. And this goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you where the fuel pump is and quick access of how to get to it. I'm not going to show you how to change it. I've got other videos on how to change a fuel pump. But I'm going to show you where it's located and where the quick access point is. So we're going to go in the back seat area. And we're going to remove the back seat. We're going to pull it up. You have to pull up real hard. I've already loosened both sides. You can see there's these little clips here and a little sockets there, and that's what holds it in. And we're going to pull that out. As you look right here, your fuel pump is located underneath this cover. Remove this seat. And basically you're going to go in here, you're going to pry this lid off, and there's a wire that goes to it. You're going to disconnect that and then remove the fuel pump as you normally would. But this is where the access point is, under the back seat. I just wanted to show you where that is. That's sometimes the hardest thing, figuring out where it is. So this one was made pretty simple, so you don't have to drop the fuel tank. You can just access it from the top. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I hope this helped.